Welcome to another business story video from Ravisa Templetree. In this video, we will talk about a company that makes your smile look beautiful. We are talking about
एक नई आजादी का जश्न मनाओ, स्माइल करो और शुरू हो जाओ कोलगेट।
Colgate. Before we proceed any further, a small important information. Colgate is not a trading stock. It is a stock for investors who have to stay invested in it for a longer period to reap the benefits of this company's growth. Colgate has more than 200 years of existence. When I got to know about this a couple of years back, it was a pleasant surprise to me because here is a company which is doing great even after 200 years of existence. It's an amazing journey. Let's look at some important parts of this 200 years journey of the company. If an investor had invested 2,500 rupees at the time Colgate had its IPO in 1978, today he will be holding 10,316 shares after many bonuses the company had announced. If he had participated in the rights issue that came in 1994 by investing another 10,300 rupees, today the holdings shares will be 11,346 shares. The value of that today is 1.92 crores. If without the rights participation, that is not investing 10,300 rupees in 1994, the value today is 1.73 crores. How do you like it? This is the beauty of investing into FMCG businesses for a longer period. Colgate has manufacturing facilities in 75 countries and selling their products in 200 countries worldwide. It is generating more than 75% of its profits outside the USA. Colgate has been a consistent growing business. Only during the pandemic times, its sales had a small dip, while even in that period, profits were continuously growing. Colgate crossed the 1,000 crore mark on its profits for the first time in March 2021 financial year. Sales for the company had grown 6.5% in FY21. Average sales growth for the company has been around 4.4% in the last 3 years. Margins, which was at 15%, shot up to 21%. This made a big change in the profit growing or having a growth of 26% in FY21. I have a small story to show how sharp or how focused the company was in growing their sales. This was told to me by my school teacher in 1986. At that time when he told this event had happened in Bombay about 2 to 3 years back. In the boardroom of Colgate, where the directors were sitting along with the marketing team to discuss about how they can increase the sales. At the time, one of the directors asked for some tea to be served for all the officers there. Those days, in big companies, it's like a British Raj kind of philosophy that was followed. One peon or office boy used to sit near the door waiting for some services to be done to the office bearers inside. At the time, this office boy or peon who came and served tea to all the members there, after doing that, he asked permission with the director if he can give a suggestion on the challenges they have been discussing. The director was surprised while he told him, why not, give your advice. So at that time, the peon says, can we increase the nozzle of the toothpaste tube by 1 round, which can increase sales? Can we imagine the impact of this? 1 round might not be even probably 0.1% or 0.1 mm the whole diameter. While when we squeeze toothpaste out of the tube, we will not know that extra paste that is getting squeezed out. Because of the big volume of sales the company had, that brought in huge volume increase. This advice was taken by the company in India, and after that it went on to the world, and today whole world is using that same idea. So in Colgate, growing business is not only in the top level, it's even to the peon level. That's why growth has been so good, and the company has been there for more than 200 years now. In this graph of ranking, we can see lines running all over the graph, like a drunkard struggling to walk around the road. Colgate stock price went up from 1500 to 1700 in the last 6 months, while during this same period, both its ranking, the profit growth rank and the price rank, have been seeing a steady decline. This is because though the stock had 10 or 15%, close to 12-13% growth in its stock price in the last 5-6 months, there are some stocks in the market which are having far higher growth on the returns that stock is giving to their investors. So similarly, even on the profit growth. That's why both the rankings are coming down. FMCG and MNC stocks are not favorites in the market when the markets are in bullish mode. Today, in bull market, metals, chemicals, cement, infra kind of stocks are favorites because these businesses generate higher growth on their sales and profits also. Sometimes they run into triple digit and 4 digits too. Recent Jindal Steel profit growth was at 1900%, whereas for FMCG, it generally stays between higher single digit to lower teen, that is between 6-7% to 12-13% on their growth, whereas this growth is consistent in FMCG businesses. The cyclicals, the metals, chemicals businesses are seasonal. When season comes, they jump. When season goes off, they become negative too. So FMCG businesses always have high valuation. They command very high valuation in the stock market every time. Only time they will have some small drop is during peak bull markets. One such opportunity we have now in the market. It will not drop big time, while it will be subtle. You can buy these stocks at lower PE levels. So if somebody is looking to accumulate FMCG stocks to have regular dividend income, this is the time to accumulate them. Colgate is a regular dividend paying stock, while it is not a big dividend payer. Colgate pays about 15-20% of their profits as dividends to its investors. The FY21 dividend per share was 38 rupees, and this culminates to an yield of 2.25% in the current price of the stock. For 1700 rupees stock price, we are getting 38 rupees dividend per annum. For a person, an investor who had invested in the 100 shares in 1978, today the dividend is 3.91 lakhs. I have a real life example. I have a friend of mine who had 100 shares bought by his father-in-law on his wife's name. We found these share certificates about 7-8 years back and regularized it. Today their dividend is close to 4 lakhs. Colgate dividend yield will be equal to residential real estate rental income. If you buy an apartment and rent it out, we generally get between 2 to 2.5% returns per annum. Similar will be the returns with Colgate also, along with price increase. Of course, real estate also goes up in price, while the beauty here is all the kind of challenges what we have while we hold a real estate property and have it for income is not there in this. You just buy the stock and forget it. Year on year, dividend will be reaching your bank account. Colgate stock has had a beautiful journey in the last 20 plus years, for which I have data with me. We can see in this graph, it was quoting at 117 rupees per share in 1998. Today, it recently crossed 1700 rupees per share. Even if we had bought this stock once every 10 years, there was no possibility that we can buy this stock again below the price at which what we bought 10 years back. That is, if suppose 10 years back I had bought the stock for 1000 rupees, there is no possibility I can buy the stock less than 1000 rupees after 10 years. This is the type of consistency these FMCG businesses have. They will be slow while they are pretty strong and keep going on the upside only, creating wealth and regular income for their investors. All this comes only if we are invested for a long period. For short term, FMCG is not the business to invest. This graph of shareholding shows how happy all the investors are with Colgate today. Barring a few small selling from retail and mutual funds, there is no selling at all, and these small selling also is getting gobbled up by FIIs as soon as they come into the market. This trend is likely to continue for generations, and this is why FMCG stocks are always in demand in the market and command very high valuation. Let's compare the performance of Colgate with NSE 500 index. Colgate is a 45,000 crore market cap company, today valued at 44 times its earnings, where the industry FMCG sector is valued at 69 times. There are 34 analysts tracking the stock today, and out of them 33 have given a recommendation to buy or hold the stock for a target of 2080. This piece of information is for traders who are looking to trade Colgate stock. There is no guarantee of any price moving up or down, because in FMCG businesses you need patience for wealth to grow, whereas traders lack patience. Against the NSE 500, Colgate has underperformed on all time periods. This is because of the bull market that is prevailing in the economy today. During bull markets, FMCG stocks are not favorite, and this is the reason why these stocks are available at lesser PE today. It is time to accumulate these stocks by the long-term investors who will hold these stocks in their portfolio for a lifetime to give them regular income through dividends. The next question that will come into our mind is, can I buy the stock now? So long as you are going to brush your teeth, this business will keep on growing. So Colgate can be bought at any time. You can have an allocation and start buying the stock. Say suppose you want to have 10 lakhs worth of dividend paying stocks in your portfolio and want to invest in 10 dividend paying stocks, 1 lakh per stock divided by 3, and use the first chunk of 33,000 to buy at current price, and later when the stock price drops by 5%, add one more and the next chunk also. By doing this, you will average your investment at lower price and also improve the yield, the dividend yield on your investment. Colgate is a company that has been growing at 5% on its sales per annum, and it has a margin of 17%, that is, its net profit is 17%. With this kind of growth, 10 years down the line, Colgate should be having a sales of 8,000 plus crores and its profit should have crossed 1,350 crores. So at that time, Colgate will be giving a dividend of 75 rupees per share 10 years down the line. The stock's EPS would have gone to 49.63 from the current 39.07 levels. Colgate is having a range of 35 to 57 on its valuation in the market, giving it an average of 46 PE. So, if the stock is having 49.63 as its earnings at 46 times PE, the stock should be trading at 2,300 rupees per share 10 years down the line. Not at all a good number, right? This stock, Colgate, is not for traders. It is an investor stock who is looking at accumulating and holding the stock in their portfolio for dividend incomes. So again, a warning, throughout this video we have been talking about not a stock for traders, it is an investor stock. So for trading purposes, Colgate is not a stock to be invested. As you keep smiling and watch others smiling, Colgate will help grow your wealth and keep giving you regular income through dividends.
When to take exit?
When you stop brushing your teeth.